Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greeting all. My name is Rizwita Samsuri from Assessment Institute of Agricultural Technology of South Sulawesi. In this occasion, I will present my research paper titled Chemical and Sensory Characteristics of Tempe Sausage on Different Soybean Varieties and Cooking Method Variation. Tempe is a traditional fermentation food which contains high protein, cheap, famous, and also favorable among the society. It has it has many benefits for human body, such as reducing the level of harmful cholesterol, lower the risk of heart attack, work as antioxidant and anti-cancer, as well as good for metabolic and digesting system. The main challenge in processing tempe are its short shelf life and its raw material, which mainly still important. In addition, tempe is generally still viewed as food for lower class society. Confronting with these facts, there is a need to create innovation in processing tempe to overcome the challenge. One of them is to process tempe in sausage. Also, it is important to find alternative raw material from domestic soybean varieties that can be used to substitute the imported one. Several cooking methods can be used to produce tempe sausage, such as smoking, smalling, steaming, and roasting. Each type of cooking has advantage and disadvantage. Hence, further research is required to determine the best cooking method to produce high-quality tempe sausage. This research aims to determine the quality of tempe sausage, both in chemical and sensory level produced from various soybean varieties and variation of cooking methods. Methodology, material, and tool. The main ingredient used in this study is tempe, which derives from several soybean varieties, that is imported soybean, Angiosmoro, Argomulyo, Burangrang, and Grobogan. Some basic ingredients and seasonings such as garlic, salt, white sugar, and pepper, ice water, egg white, tapioca flour, and corn oil. The equipment used are scale, knives, cutting board, grinder, whisk stir, casing machine, trays, steamer pan, large pan, and gas stove. Research procedure. Tempe from several soybean varieties with basic ingredients are weighted, cut into small pieces, and mashed using a blender. A mixture of egg white, seasoning, ice water, and tapioca flour was added and blended with tempe butter. Thereafter, corn oil is put into the butter while being stirred evenly until it forms a paste-like mixture. The mixture then put into a casing machine to produce sausage with length of 10 centimeters and tightly bound with stirring. After the processing, tempe sausage are cooked according to various cooking method treatment, that is steamed, boiled, and oven. Experiment design. The parameter taste and chemical content analysis and sensory analysis. Chemical content analysis includes analysis of water content, ash content, fat content, and protein using Sudarmaji et al. Procedure, while sensory analysis or organoleptic taste use the Lawless Heyman method. The organoleptic attributes assess are color, texture, aroma, and favorability. The hedonic taste use scale 1 to 5. The research used factorial pattern complete randomized design with 3 repetitions. The fourth factor is soybean variety consisting of 5 types that is important: Angiosmoro, Agromulyo, Burangrang, and Grobogan. The second factor is the cooking method consisting of 3 variations, that is steam, boil, and oven. The experiment model is a complete randomized design with 3 repetitions. The collected data then tabulated and analyzed with ANOVA. If the F test is significantly different, then the test will be continued to the Duncan multiple range test. Result and discussion. Chemical characteristics of tempe sausage. Water content. The tempe sausage water content according to the result presented in table 1 ranges from 35.66% to 55.74%. The result of variance demonstrated that the factor from soybean variety and the method of delivery had no significant effect on the water content. The lowest water content was produced imported varieties using oven cooking method. The highest water content was produced in Grobogan variety by boiling method. The results show that the water content produced by various treatments suitable with the SNI recruitment, which is a maximum 67%. Ash level. In the table 2, it is known that ash content ranges from tempeh sausage about 0.5% to 2%. This is shown that the tempeh sausage ash level still meet the sausage quality criteria according to SNI, which is maximum of about 3%. The result of the analysis of variance revealed that soybean varieties, cooking the method and interaction between the two give a significant effect on the tempeh sausage ash level. The lowest ash content was produced in Anjas Moro variety with steam treatment, while the highest ash content from tempeh sausage found in imported varieties with oven treatment. The results show that the average of tempeh sausage produced using oven cooking method had higher ash level than the steam and the boil method. Fat content. Tempeh sausage fat content range from 8.41% to 26.87%. The result of variance show the variety factor cooking and the interaction between the two, showing significant effect on tempeh sausage fat level. The highest fat content was found in Agromolio variety by the steaming cooking method. The lowest fat content was produced in imported varieties by steaming method. The cooking methods such as steam, boil, and oven will affect tempeh sausage fat level. Boiling cooking method resulting the lowest fat content. It assumes that the boiling process use water as a heat conductor medium, then fat removed due to heating. Protein content. Tempeh sausage protein produced in the study range from 9.11% to 17.63%. The result of variance showed that the variety factor, the cooking method, and the interaction had a very significant effect on the protein level on the tempeh sausage. The lowest protein was produced in imported varieties with boil method. The highest protein was obtained Agromolio varieties with oven treatment. Protein content from local soybean varieties is relatively higher than imported soybean. The cooking method, steam, boil, and oven affect the protein content of tempeh sausage. The boiling treatment can reduce protein level in the food. Sensory characteristics of tempeh sausage. Statistical analysis results demonstrated that are real interaction between soybean varieties and variation of cooking methods on the sensory characteristics of tempeh sausage such as aroma, taste, texture, and favorability. The color of tempeh sausage from Grobogan variety with boil treatment has the high value. The color of tempeh sausage cooked in the oven has more attractive color, which is brownish white that seem more favorable to panelists. The aroma of Grobogan variety in tempeh sausage with steam and boil treatment has the highest value. Different varieties and ways of processing cause many different in aroma score. Cooking variation and ingredient also affect the aroma. The taste of tempeh sausage from Grobogan variety with boil treatment has the highest value. The taste is very much influenced by tempeh variant and species used. The tempeh sausage texture from Grobogan variety with boil treatment has the highest value. The texture of tempeh sausage produced is chewy because it is influenced by the water content and tapioca flour, which is able to bind the water to high thickness. Food favorability is that overall and subjective acceptance of the produced tempeh sausage. Based on table 5, we show that the panelist rating has a score equal to range dislike to fairly light. The most preferred treatment is tempeh sausage from Grobogan variety with boiled treatment, which has the high value because it had a compact and chewy texture, and attractive color and good taste. Conclusion. 1. There is no real interaction between soybean varieties and cooking method on water content. On the other hand, real interaction between soybean varieties and variety of cooking method was found in as level, fat, and protein. 2. Based on the sensory test result, it is identified that the most favorable tempeh sausage derived from soybean Grobogan varieties and boiled treatment with a water content of 56.25% as content of 0.97, fat 17.38%, and protein 12.91%. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your kind attention.